What you're watching now is basically the first official collection of the smart #5 Brabus in Malaysia. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and it's a very special day for me because today, which is 29 November, I'm collecting the smart #5 Brabus, which I have pre-ordered since August 23rd. So it has been a few months of waiting, and finally today is the day. So let's go in now. So the place that I got my smart #5 Brabus is at this place, which is Smart Eon Glenmarie. And behind me, I can already see all the brand new #5 Brabus and also the premium left and right. And I can't wait to get mine. Let's go. Guys, I see it. It's inside with the ribbon on top. Hi.
Time.
Okay, nice. Ken? This is Lizzy.
Hi.
And I got my car from her. Okay, so she has placed me at this corner, which is right beside my car. I guess it's snack time because I see some snacks there. Let's eat some snacks first. So basically, for people who pre-ordered, also like what? First 300, is it? First 300 people who buys the smart #5, they actually get a free wall box charger. Quick unboxing. Oh, it's a lot newer and smaller than the previous one. Wow, okay. So other than this, what do they get?
Okay, they will also get vehicle to law V2L device,
Okay.
as well as the 2,000 worth of accessory package.
Okay.
Which I already put inside me.
Already put inside, so later we will find out what's in the car. Birth certificate for the car. Original. Okay. So this is the V2L device. Basically, you plug this to the charging port in your car so that you can plug your electrical devices on this other end. 3-pin. So you can charge your thing, so when you go camping or whatever, you have power. Powered by your car. Jacket in case I need to do performance on the street. First aid kit, tire repair kit. Oh. Okay, so done with the car orientation. Now to officiate this car by peeling this sticker on the steering. Okay, come, let's see. So just in case you don't know, the car seats controls are now on the door, just like Mercedes-Benz. And I also want to peel this to officiate the controls. Come. Yes. Yo. Oh, thank you. What is this? Wow! So they actually took a photo and they print for me. Do all the new smart owners get this as well?
Yeah, but only in Smart Glenmarie.
I see, Smart Glenmarie. Okay, before I go, I just want to talk to Lizzy a little bit since I got the car from her. How's the sales of the smart #5 so far?
Yeah, it's really good because the special price that you're getting is only for 300 units, as you already know.
Nice. And how many % of people are actually getting the Brabus? And how many are getting premium? What do you think? Half or how?
Actually, different customers, their opinion needs are different. Some likes the power, some likes the range. I could say that it's more like the same. It's really depending on
Okay, cool. Am I the number one person to collect the Brabus from you guys?
Yes, most definitely. You are my officially the smart #1 Brabus in Malaysia, the first one.
Means
Official.
what you're watching now is basically the first official collection of the smart #5 Brabus in Malaysia.
And not only that, you are my one of the first pre-booking. You're my first owner.
Yes, I remember. Yeah, I actually pre-ordered when the first preview of the car back in August.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
One of the first, and now officially the first.
Nice. Okay, thank you. I need to drive my car out and do my things. Thank you very much, Lizzy. Thank you. Okay, time for my first drive to bring the smart #5 Brabus home. Okay, so this is my first drive of the smart #5 Brabus. I didn't test drive. I only test drove the premium version. So this is basically like my version drive. So if you're watching this, you must be wondering why I picked this car. In case you don't know, I was an owner of the smart #1. Been driving it since the first day, just like how I collected this on the first day as well at launch. One of the reasons why is I like the exterior design a lot. It looks very rugged, very tough looking, and also I like how the oblong lights are on the front and also at the back. It just makes the whole car look very rugged. I love it, very stylish. Now the second reason is definitely the dual screen on the front here, because we don't get many EVs in the market now that has dual screen like this. The whole idea is the main screen is for the user, which is me, to do like navigation and stuff like that. And then the additional screen is for the passenger to play games, to watch Netflix, to watch YouTube and do whatever. And they can actually connect the audio to the screen via Bluetooth, so they can listen to the movie that they're watching, and I can still enjoy audio and also music from the main console. The third reason why I like this car is because of the Sennheiser audio system. When I first tried it at the car show many months ago, like my mind was blown away because how amazing the audio system is. Sennheiser is a very reputable brand, and yeah, you just need to experience it yourself to know what I'm talking about when it comes to the audio quality. The fourth reason is how spacious the interior is, and of course how cool the interior is. I have actually test drove other EVs as well, like specifically the 7X, you know. I tried the Tesla, but they are all very boring when it comes to interior. So I would say that for my kind of lifestyle and my character, I suit this more because it has more things to play with. Like just look at the screen, it's interesting, right? And the space is also very big, it's very spacious. The ceiling is very high. I also like that the sunroof has a sunshade, because a lot of EVs nowadays, they don't have a sunshade, so you can't cover it because in Malaysia, it tends to get hot and sunny. And the last reason is definitely Brabus, because the only way or the only brand that has the Brabus collaboration is Smart, and that is why you get all this like styling, like this branding here. And yeah, and also because it's designed by Mercedes, so Mercedes-Benz, Brabus, putting everything in one, you get the smart design and also like the experience here in this car. So that's the 5 reasons why I choose this car compared to other cars. Of course, other cars are also amazing, but maybe this one suits me more. If you are currently considering an SUV or an EV to buy, you can check this out and also test drive all the other cars to find one that suits you. Okay, so that was my collection of the smart #5 Brabus. officially first one in Malaysia, okay? Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more about EVs or even for this car, check out my Instagram, which is evectradepop, or my main account, which is smashpop, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yo!